Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 22nd of June, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair Euro/USD continued to correct downwards and reached the level of 1.1167. Further decline is possible to 1.1108 and 1.0986. In case of breakout of the midline of Bollinger Bands and the central Murray level at 1.1230, quotes may resume growth to 1.1352 and 1.1474. This scenario looks more likely in the near future, since Bollinger Bands are still directed upwards and confirm the presence of an uptrend, while stochastic is preparing to leave the oversold zone and form a buy signal. The resumption of growth is more likely after the breakout of 1.1230, but the continuation of the decline is not completely excluded. Last week, the pair GBP/USD continued to correct downwards and reached the level of 1.2338. Currently, the price is making an attempt to grow, but the resumption of a stable uptrend may be only possible if quotes are consolidated above the midline of Bollinger Bands near 1.2520. In this case, further growth to 1.2695 and 1.2817 is possible. If the level of 1.2520 is not broken down, the decline will resume to 1.2207 and 1.2085. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. Bollinger Bands are directed upwards and MACD histogram is decreasing in the positive zone. Stochastic entered the oversold zone, which may cause an upward reversal. The resumption of growth is more likely after the breakout of 1.2520, but the continuation of the decline is not completely excluded. Last week, the pair USD/JPY decreased and is now trading around 106.90. The decline may continue to 106.25 and 104.68. The level of 107.81 in the midline of Bollinger Bands is seen as the key for the bulls. After its breakout, growth may continue to 108.59 and 109.37. However, a significant increase in quotes in the near future seems less likely, since MACD histogram is growing in the negative zone and stochastic has reversed down. The resumption of decline seems possible, but growth after the breakout of 107.81 cannot be ruled out. Last week, the pair AUD/USD sank to the midline of Bollinger Bands near 0.6835 and is trying to resume growth from it to the level of 0.7080, coinciding with Murray plus 2/8. If the price consolidates below the level of 0.6835, a decline will resume to 0.6713 and 0.6591. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. Bollinger Bands are directed upwards, a MACD histogram is growing in the positive zone, and stochastic is pointing downwards. The continuation of growth seems possible, but a decline cannot be excluded if the price consolidates below 0.6835. Gold quotes for the third consecutive month continue to be traded within the range of 1750–1687.50 and cannot get out of it yet. Last week, the price again reached the level of 1750 and after the consolidation above it will be able to continue to grow to 1781.25 and 1812.50. However, the continuation of the lateral movement and the beginning of a decline to the levels of 1718.75 and 1687.50 seem more likely. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. Bollinger Bands are directed horizontally, a MACD histogram is stable in the positive zone, and stochastic is directed up. A decrease in quotes seems more likely, but growth after the consolidation above 1750 cannot be completely ruled out. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading.